Hi, Mouse. Can I use my computer? Can I use the mouse pad? Please? Please? Huh? Huh? Maybe? Hello? Miss Mouse? Mouse, 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 mouse. Can I please use my mouse? Mousy, mousy, why you bugging? Come on. Come on, baby. It's not a cat bed. It's my mouse pad. Really? Honestly. Oh, and look. There's my pasty white arm, and cousin Ollie just tried to visit. Really? Trying to... No? No? You don't want to move? Because it's just so comfy and warm, and you can get in my way. How about some music? You want some music? So there's Ollie checking things out. And here's Mouse listening to the Dropkick Murphys, and she could care less.